Hello, this is Liquid Ocelot and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to get your first 100 followers on Medium and beyond that. So please watch the video till the end to understand how you can get first 100 followers on Medium. I'm on my Medium profile, and what I'm going to do is show you that my best articles. What are my best articles? Every writer knows which article is the best performing one. So mine is this one, how I made my first $10 on Medium. I'll go to this, and once I go to this this page, you see the claps. The claps are here. So there is an option. When I hover my mouse over it, near the clap icon, it says view claps. I'll go there, and you see all of these people are following this, are clapping this article. So what I'm going to do is follow these guys. Remember, you can follow up to 125 people on Medium per day. So I'll follow these guys. See, I'll keep following, and now this was just to demonstrate to you guys what you should do. This is the first method. Follow the your most clapped article clappers. Follow these guys. They will definitely follow you back, and because they have taken interest in your article, in your Medium story, they can be converted from clappers to followers very easily. So this is the first method, my friends. The second method I'm going to show you, my friends, is I'll go to my publication Inkwater Atlas, and here I'll go to my home page and settings. This is the second method, my friends, and here I will find a new guy called DS. I'll go to his account. Now you see this this pattern over here. He has got 149 followers, but he has followed over 1024 people. So what he has done, he has already done all the hard work. He has followed the people, and they have some of them, a fraction of them, maybe 10% of them have followed him back. So I'll just follow his followers, simple as that. I have found an account which is doing the follow unfollow method. So you see, I have been following his followers. I've been following his followers, and my account is growing. I'll keep following. I have a limit of 125. So this is the fastest way to get followers on Medium, my friends. And followers gradually increase your read time as well. They increase your read time, and your account visibility is shown. So getting followers is a good way to boost your statistics on Medium. The first method was that I showed you guys to follow clappers was given to me by Tom Kugler. I have mentioned him in my title of the video with the handle, so you can check out his YouTube channel, and he has all the links in his about section. Check them out, his LinkedIn and his Medium profile as well. So thanks for watching, my friends. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, which strategy is best for getting mass followers. Any easy strategy that a newbie can apply as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be signing off. Take care.